Good morning children, hope you are okay. Now we'll continue with our work. Previously we have learnt about hot air balloons to the aeroplane. Means from the early times from the air balloon to the aeroplanes, how our science and technology has been improved and it helps us to travel faster, okay, and saving the time also and earn livelihood also to this, okay. How we send our goods from one place to another place, right? Now today we will be going to learn Block 25, Air and Water Transport. S2, Traveling by Air. Now we'll talk about aeroplane, air, how we travel, how it is important. Aim is the importance of air transport for carrying goods and people across distance, far distance. It helps us a lot. Now, air transport. Now, in word web, in short, takes less time. Right? Correct. We reach the place in within hour like that. Then can travel faster. It is the fastest mode of travel. Can fly over seas and oceans. Right? Somewhere we can't go through trains. We can't travel by rail. So we have to fly from aeroplanes. So over seas and oceans. To cross those seas and oceans, aeroplane is very good for sending goods. Yes. Things from one place to another place. Now, or other countries also. From other country, goods will come for us. Import and export. Useful during earthquakes to save people. Yes, children. Now, recently, children, near Uttarakhand, recently, ice has been bursted and many people were trapped in the dam. They were constructing something dam. So in that military helicopters, they helped a lot. And they are also useful for suppose earthquake or floods or like that, right? Also it helped to save the people during this time. Useful for urgent situation. Whenever you want to go urgently, you can go by aeroplane, by air. Now this is it. So now I'll say a few points. Did you understand, children? Please slowly listen to my explanation slowly. Have some patience. See, listen, then you will understand. It will be very easy. How I am teaching in class, like that same way I am teaching. Okay? Right. Now, one examples. All can take an aeroplane. Ali can take an aeroplane because it is the fastest mode of transport. Reena can take an aeroplane to Mumbai to take her mother to hospital quickly. She cannot travel by road or rail as she lived in an island. Yes, near island also we have to take air transport surrounded by water. A ship will take longer. If you travel by water or ship, It will take long time. Mrs. Rao and his family can take an aeroplane to reach America. Now traveling by ship will take longer. To save people during an earthquake, the best vehicle is a helicopter. It can lift people during an earthquake or flood when roads and rail tracks are destroyed. Now, without aeroplane, we would not be able to connect to far off places separately by seas, ocean, mountains in a short time. Air travel helps us to travel from one place to another much faster. We can send things from one country to another for buying and selling. For example, suppose we have no rice in our country and we need it quickly, we can get it from another country in a short time by aeroplane. See, if we don't have rice, we can bring it from other country in short time by means of air transport. Now, people can go easily and in less time from one place to another for work or holidays. For holidays also will go. Helicopters can fly very low and we can drop food items for people during earthquakes and floods. Yes, this is very helpful, children, to drop the food packets to the people where flood has been occurred and where the people stuck in that place. Now, what problems can air transport have? Now, we have this question. We'll see what is it. Traveling by air can be difficult if we want to go to a place that may not be connected by aeroplane. For example, some small towns, villages may not be directly connected by air. It is dangerous to travel by air during storms or heavy rains. There are chances of accidents. Traveling by air in most countries is also very expensive. It is very expensive, children, by traveling air. Okay? Right. Take out your reader, children. 155 page. Aeroplane or see these aeroplanes. Now, aeroplanes are useful when we have to travel long distance within a short time. Helicopters are used to help people in places that are not connected by roads or rail during earthquakes and floods. Look at the map to know how various places in India are connected by air. Sometimes, when the weather is bad, traveling by air is dangerous. Some small towns and villages in India are still not connected by air. Air transport is costly too. You can see this map, air network map. See how it is connecting, children, these lines. Okay, 1 minute. Here they showed this red small dots here. These red small dashes, dots are there, no? They are boundaries, children. This red, they are boundaries. Okay? See, these are the boundaries. These are the boundaries, this red. Now, that is international boundaries. These are international boundaries. Okay? And state boundaries are blue color 1 minute. Bluish or green, 1 minute. The bluish color. And air network, yeah, you can see this air network from here to here. See, Delhi to Srinagar. And which place this is? Amritsar. See, this red dots, no, like square, they are air network. This is air network. That means north, south, east, west, everywhere you have got connection. That means airports you are having, right? Okay. Open your workbook, page number 46, S2, traveling by air. First question, what type of transport will you use in each situation? Why? Now 4 situations they have given. Separate situation we'll see. A. Ali lives in Delhi. He wants to go to Chennai for some work and come back to Delhi the same day. Means same day he has to go and come. What transport will he use? Of course, aeroplane. Underline aeroplane. It will reach fast. It will reach fast and take less time. B. Reena lives in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Her mother is very ill. She has to bring her mother to a hospital in Mumbai from the island quickly. What transport should she use and why? Aeroplane, of course. It can fly over water and takes less time. Next one. C. Mr. Rao and his family want to go to the United States of America for a week. What transport will they use and why? Which transport they will use, children? Train? No. Bus? No. Aeroplane. It can fly long distance across oceans to different countries in less time. D. We have to save some people after an earthquake destroyed their homes. They have no food and water. The roads and rail lines are destroyed. What transport will we use and why? Helicopter. They can fly and bring people safely when rail and roads are destroyed. Now next one. Second question. Jagan has to send boxes of fruits from Srinagar to his friend in Hyderabad. What transport will he choose? Why? By aeroplane it will take less time and the fruits won't get spoiled. Yes. If they come through rail or by road, some fruits may get spoiled. So, which mode of transport is easier? Aeroplane. Question 3. When is it difficult to travel by air? When the weather is bad, when the cost of travel is very high, or when a place is not directly connected by air. Some villages we can't reach by air. They don't have airports there. One time I'll show you. Please see. Wait 1 minute. Is it clear?